Hello and welcome to Taboretum channel. One of you asked about using spreadsheets in FreeCAD. So I thought let's use my previous design of a keychain that you can find here or here and in the description below, and let's play with spreadsheets in FreeCAD. Plus there will be one top secret cheat that I will share with you that probably not that easy to find over the internet. Here we are in FreeCAD, we have our home, keychain, and we will create a spreadsheet. How do you do that? We go to the spreadsheet workbench, and actually it gives us nothing else but the ability to create a new spreadsheet here, create spreadsheet. And we have a spreadsheet, and we can add items here. What we will do, we'll say text, and it's gonna be home, sweet home maybe, so we can see the difference. Sweet, start with sweet. We'll have the height of the whole thing, and we will have the diameter of the actual key hole or whatever you call it, and we will say that this is 5 and we will say that this is 10. And to actually use these values you need to name them, so you cannot use a reference, but you need to click properties, right click properties, alias, and you need to give base an alias, and we can call it text. We can call this one height, not height but height, and we call it this one diameter. And now we have 3 parameters that we can use in our design. So when I go back here and I go to the ShapeString, we have here our text somewhere in the data. We have the text here saying home here, and if we press this button here we can have an expression. So our spreadsheet is called spreadsheet. We have a dot, and we can try to use things from the spreadsheet, right? So it was text parameter. I started pressing T and it is hinting that there is a text, and it shows that the result is going to be sweet. We say OK, and if we move out we'll probably we'll get just part of it because there's not enough bottom to actually connect it. We can use in the pad we can use the length of the pad, and we actually called it spreadsheet height. Here it is, and it's 5. And in the sketch we can say that this diameter is actually spreadsheet, well, fx spreadsheet diameter. It's gonna break the thing because we put a 10 there, right? So the thing will get super tiny, but we can make this thing, and we say that this is actually our spreadsheet diameter, and we don't want change into radius plus 2.1, and that's something that should be okay-ish. Okay, and it looks nice, right? So we get back and then we have a big hole and we have sweet, and it is the height of whatever, and you can see now we have a different height of the bottom part. I pressed VF to make it, and different height of the text itself, right? So we go to the because we have 2 pads, right? And this one also needs to be spreadsheet height. Okay, 5. and now they will be equal. You see? And now if you want to change something, we basically go to the, you see the view, I'm not touching anything, right? I will make it slightly like that. And we go here and we say, again, home, we say 4, and we say we want a smaller hole now, 5. And we come back, and magic happened. So now the only thing I would like to do, one extra thing, is that if I change this to something longer, like sweet home, I will actually get this bar long enough. So to do that, we'll do two things. First, we go to the ShapeString, and in the view, we can turn on the bounding box to true. So you can see that the whole thing is actually 111.08. So we can use the number and put it here. But I wanted to make it automatic. This thing is called ShapeString. So if we go to our sketch and we go to this number here, right? And we say we want to make it, because I remember that this is 8 millimeters, so we want 8 millimeters plus the length of the thing. ShapeString, can we access the ShapeString? ShapeString, yeah, it's there. Plus, what do we have? Font file, fuse, justification, scale to size, shape. We want a shape. And now we want the length of the shape. And something strange is happening because it's actually showing 500. So I don't know where this number is coming from, and you can see it's not what we want. So maybe these are some points or whatever. But there are some properties that you cannot actually access. Well, it's not suggesting them, but they are there. And I hope I have it in the, yeah, I do have it in my clipboard. So basically there is a way to access these BoundBox and XLength, right? So Shape.BoundBox.XLength, and this is 1908, which is exactly these plus this 8 millimeters offset from the axis. We press OK, OK, and watch this. Magic happen. Sweet home, and exactly the bottom bar is ending where we want it. So now we can actually turn off the bounding box, and we can turn off the sketch, and we can go to the spreadsheet and say taburetum here, and ta-da! So you've seen how to use spreadsheets in FreeCAD, plus you got an extra small feature how to get the length of a shape string, which is not that easy. It's not super secret, but it's not that easy to find in the internet. So thanks for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to keep me motivated and awake, you can buy me a coffee. There's a link down there. And thanks for watching, and happy printing. See you soon. Bye bye.